finally, it arrived. Finally, it's here. Finally. Okay, so this is the server in the basement. This is the USB drive here. So let's go to, take this file, we'll copy it, and we'll paste it here. See what kind of speed we get, about 25 megabytes per second. Peak 26. And we see it's going to take about 8 minutes. Okay, so it's hovering around 25, 26 megabytes per second. So that's the fastest speed we're going to get out of this drive being hooked up to a USB 2.0 port. That's it. So finally, this arrived. USB 3.1 card. It's going to go on the server. That's what it comes with. Comes with the card, the profile bracket, drivers, warranty, a one-page instruction manual, features, That does say it has a power input. I believe that power input would be for if you want to provide power out of the card. Hoping that's what it's for. Because the card itself should get all the power it needs from the PCI bus, PCI Express bus. I'm not plugging anything into it. I'm not going to charge my phone with this. So it better work without needing that, because it's a server. It doesn't have the SATA power out. So let's start installing this. Okay, so let's do this. I'll put it here. Okay, so I did have to rig up power to this because the servers don't provide Molex power, and they don't provide SATA power because everything's done by the backplane behind the hard drives, and the power is delivered in a different manner. So I managed to rig up some power to the card, and now let's see what kind of transfer speeds we get. Because remember, before it was between 25 and 26 megabytes a second. So let's see what kind of speeds we get now. Holy moly! 120, almost 130. Between 125, 125, 29 at the high, megabytes per second. Instead of taking about 8 minutes, it's going to take about, what would it say, about 2 minutes. Look at that. Now that is the way USB 3.1 is supposed to run. So just throwing in that card and attaching the the Western Digital external hard drive to it gave us a huge amount of speed increase, and I just had to provide power to it. Grant, that was a little bit harder than what it should have been, but you know what, it is what it is. It's working. 120 to 100, 125 to 130 megabytes per second. Speed increase, I'll take it. I'll take it every day of the week and twice on Sundays. Look at that. Nice, fluid, fast. So we know that is going to transfer 125 to 129 megabytes per second. Cool. So if you liked the video, hit like, get subscribed down below. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. And we will, I'll put up a video and a tag up here somewhere. You'll see it. I think it's over here somewhere. It'll just appear. See you guys later.